Hi, my name is Gabriel. I found your website online when I Googled Bakersfield Roofing Companies. I work for an SEO company that specializes in helping local businesses get ranked to the top of Google. So I searched Bakersfield Roofing in Google and I found your website right here, Armstrong Roofing, on page 3 of Google. Um, Getting you from page 3 to page 1 of Google will, at minimum, double the amount of calls you receive. At minimum, it'll dramatically increase, the amount of calls you receive in revenue. That's just the power of Google. Everybody uses Google. Most people do not go past the first page when looking for services. So that's where you want to be, really. And I just wanted to give you some tips on how you can increase your ranking. That's what we do. You can do it yourself, or we can do it for you, amongst many other things we do for your website. Your website looks pretty good. It's easy to find your phone number and things like that. So you can do these things yourself, or we can do it for you. The first thing we do is we take your URL and we plug it into this tool we have for metadata. So I already got you plugged in here. Your title is Armstrong Roofing Contractors Company Bakersfield. This is how Google finds you, how they determine what you do, and this is kind of confusing because it starts off with Armstrong Roofing. What you want to do is, like, a competitive keyword for your niche is Bakersfield Roofing. Like I put into Google, that's how people would find roofing services. So we would put Bakersfield Roofing here, and then maybe after we could put Armstrong Roofing. You have 72 characters. We can change that if you want to help you out with it, and that, as well as your headings. So having two headings right here is already kind of confusing for Google. Your headings are these right here. So homepage, new roof services. So we would like to put something like, once again, Bakersfield Roofing, or I see you work in Tehachapi as well. We could change the keyword for Tehachapi. We could do, another one for that. I know Taft is a lot smaller, so most people in Taft would probably look up Bakersfield. But we get you ranked for Tehachapi or Bakersfield, easily. It doesn't take long, guaranteed results within a month. I've seen it a bunch of times. And your H2 headings, these are kind of off as well. We can help you out with that, no problem. So if you're looking to grow your business and you want to receive calls, these two things alone will dramatically increase your ranking, and it'll bring in a lot more revenue for you. And if that's something you want to do, reply to this email, contact me and we can get something started, and I'll show you what else we can do for you. Thank you for your time.